this is Mom's Home Phone. Welcome to our channel. We're unboxing my planner.
Your planner.
And some other stuff that I don't know.
It's a planner. Planner from Michaels.
And Jump Pops.
And it is...
Jump Pops. You call them Jump Pops.
Let's see. Jump Pops, because you jump on them and pop them. You like it?
Yeah.
Let's get the box out. Okay, let's open it first.
Go. Opening.
Okay, this is the Happy Planner Kids. And I got this on sale. Usually this kit is $35. I got this on sale for, I want to say like $10, but I'll double check. At Michael's. Okay, so it's a 12-month dated planner. And it has, well, let's open it up and see what it has. Okay, you open it up?
What is that?
Okay, so we have, these are tapes, so you could decorate. Take them out.
Oh, nine. What else?
Careful with that, okay?
Oh, and there's pizza on there.
Be careful with this hand. No, don't do that. Okay. Here, just peel it. Peel it all the way down.
Do you want me to help you guys? Didn't know that this much tape.
So these are little tapes.
And
If
this
you
is
guys have a planner, like a poop emoji. These are to decorate.
we untaped tape. What is? Oh, it's an eraser.
Is it? Oh, cool. Let me see the eraser. Can I see your eraser? Can I see this whole thing? Take your tape out. Okay. Hold on, baby. This is an eraser.
And I was
And this is a yeah. Take this out.
Can I have it so I can look at it?
This is a divider that goes inside. It has the rings here. It says Think Happy. You see the eraser?
Yeah. Look what they put. What is this?
And this is just decoration and tape. Okay?
Yeah. What is
And then
this?
in here, Aaron, that's nothing. That's a glue. Our stickers.
Kaylee could probably make these.
Yeah, it's just little glue dots.
She's really good at making stuff.
She is really good at making stuff. We'll see, okay?
Stickers! 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 I saw one that said read, and I was like, stickers.
Okay, so you have to Monday, to the Mondays, Think Happy, all these stickers. Let me see another sheet. Can you show me the stickers? Can you show me the sheets?
Is there anything in here?
Nope.
Wait, there might be.
Here, let's not touch Aaron's stuff so we don't get them dirty.
Oh, nothing in
Show me the stickers.
these.
Okay. Okay.
Rainbow! Rainbow helped my
Alright,
parents.
first day of school. I like the Help My Parents one. And there's a whole bunch of different themed ones.
these.
We wanted to get the superhero one, but it wasn't on. It
Guess
wasn't
which one
on
my
sale.
favorite one is on.
The poop emoji.
How'd you know?
Cause I know you. Let me see that one. All right, cool. Now let's get to the. And then we have these little tags, right?
Yeah.
Let's see. Those are little sticky notes.
You can
So
put
you
it.
can write notes. You can put them in your calendar.
Put this here and then put the pizza on there.
Yeah, you can do that.
You can put this pizza on whatever that thing is.
Okay, here is the planner. So let's move this stuff out of the way.
I forget all the stuff.
Okay, wait, let's look at the front.
What the heck? Happy planner.
Yeah, it's a happy planner.
I know.
It's a happy planner.
Well,
Your
yeah,
picture is so bright,
of
Aaron.
course it's a happy planner. Look.
I know, he's so
It's
happy.
happy. Look.
She's got a little note there, but you can take this one out. So this is where you'll write your name.
Wait, what's this?
letters.
Seeing
Like OMG, be right back. These are like text messages actually. I bet you they all mean something.
WCW. What does WCW mean?
That's a wrestling thing, I think.
Oh my god.
I'm probably wrong. Okay, so it has 2018 and 2019. So you have the year 2018 to 2019. Ooh, what's this, Aaron? You can write your coolest subject, your coolest book, your coolest game, your coolest musician or band, your coolest activity. You can fill this out. You can spread a little happy by doing these things. It's like a board game. So maybe after you do them, you can check them off. You can do one every day. It says every day is an opportunity to spread a little happy. Act on these prompts this month, add in your own ideas, and watch the happiness spread. So your goal this month is to do all of these things. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. Okay?
Would I get a prize?
Yeah, you know what the prize is?
I need to get a prize.
Do you know what the prize is going to be?
Yeah.
Making somebody happy. That's
But
right.
I need a prize.
All right,
I
let's
love
go
prizes.
to. Oh, look at that. Look how pretty.
How do you survive
I mean,
without
how
a
cool.
prize?
Okay, so we are in October. So every month, let's go to October.
October.
Actually, we're in November now, aren't we? Let's go to November. So in between you
But
have,
first, pizza,
Pictures.
pizza, pizza.
and at the end of every month, you have a sheet like this that they can fill out. So we'll go to November.
November. Life is better when you're LOLing.
It's a cell phone. It's an iPhone, actually.
Wait, let's go
Okay,
to.
so let's look. November's here.
Let's go to this. I know. Let's
So
go
wait,
to
I want to show you what you're gonna do.
December. That's easy. Wait,
That's
2018. What if it's when it's
You get a
2019?
new calendar every year.
What?
So what you do, Aaron, is you go to the date. Today is Wednesday the 7th, and you can write tonight we have church, and then you can write here Friday we're going to a field trip. Okay, that way when you need
Okay.
to know things, hold on, sweetheart, you just look in your calendar, and you don't have to ask mommy how many more days to this, how many more days to that. Okay?
Where can
And
I
then-
decorate it at?
Well, you can decorate. You can put stickers in here, and you can put stickers in here. I'll teach you how I do mine. And then for your school assignments, I'm gonna write down every day all your assignments to do, so you can go by yourself. You can check it, and how many minutes you read, and how you feel today. Okay, and it has that for the whole month. So, how do you like your happy planner? Does it make you happy? Would you recommend it? You think it's cool? Yeah? Okay.
Where do I put the stickers though?
We can put them anywhere we want, and we can put the tape anywhere we want. So you need a little box to put all your stuff in. You have a little box we can put these things, store these things in, and put them in your drawer, or like a pencil case. We'll find something, okay?
So on Christmas, there's a Christmas tree.
Thank you.
This is my happy planner. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.